back to my YouTube channel. My name is Rejoice, and in today's video I will be showing you how I use this Ayurvedic hair growth oil I made in my last video. Yes, so if you are a new subscriber, you are welcome, and if you are a returning subscriber, thank you for coming back, and thank you for always watching my videos. So without any further ado, we'll get right into today's video. Okay, so let me show you how I use this, or how you can use this oil on your hair. Okay, so you can use this oil to massage your scalp with it, and you can also use it for your hair, for your pre-poo. You can use it to pre-poo your hair. You can also add this to any DIY hair butter you are making. Okay, so let's get right into the video. So the first thing I'll be doing is to spray my hair using water. I'll be using water to spray my hair. Okay, you can see how dry my hair is. This is my hair before applying any products in my hair. Let me show you how you can see it's very dry and dull. Let me just get this section like this and hold it together. I'll work on this side first. Okay, so I'll spray water on my hair like this. You spray water. Yes. So after spraying water, I'll be using my DIY hair butter. Okay, so it's a water-based hair butter. It's a water-based hair cream. If you don't have a hair butter cream, you can. It's also fine to use. You can also use a leave-in conditioner. But today I'll be making use of this hair butter cream because it's a water-based hair cream. Okay, so you massage it into your hair. Make sure it gets into every strand of your hair. Okay, that's what I'm doing. I'm trying to get the hair cream to every part of my hair, and I'll apply it on the tips of my hair also. The tips of your hair are very fragile, so you should treat them with care and love. So after going in with my hair butter, the next thing I'll be doing is to apply my oil on my scalp like this. Okay, so I'll apply just a little. And I'll rub it on my hair. Okay, I'm rubbing it on my hair and also the tips of my hair, just like this. Okay, I'll also apply it here on my edges. And I'll quickly use a scalp massager to massage my hair. So that is that about this. I'll just go ahead and do the same thing I did here and to this here, and I'll come back and show you the results. I'll show you the before and after, okay? So guys, that is that for today's video. If you haven't watched the video on how to make hair growth oil, I'll leave the link in the description box so that you can go and watch. So thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.